This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remax Ability Plus. This ranch home is nicely updated with engineered hardwood floors, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, kitchen island with breakfast bar, wainscoting with eat-in kitchen that opens to the great room featuring vaulted ceilings and fireplace. Bathrooms updated and master has double vanities with walk-in closet. Large deck great for entertaining and enjoy that morning coffee overlooking water. A great setting. Come take a look, you will not be disappointed.